Good morning, I'm Clint with Brace Tool, and today I'm going to show you how to install the X running tool onto the X lock. We'll take our lock, install it into the vise, open my fishnet, take my X running tool, slide it inside the lock, slide my core down. I like to use a screwdriver to hold the core there. I slide that closes the fish neck, and that helps align the lower shear pin. Goes through your lock and your core. And at that point, go back, grab a hold of the fish neck, pull everything at once forward. That locks your retainer dogs on into your fish neck. Now your shear pin hole on the top of your running tool is aligned. Trip your tool into selective to make everything runs, make sure everything is assembled properly and everything functions properly. You take your flat blade screwdriver, place it between the top sub and the spring retainer, and apply some pressure downwards towards yourself, squeezing on the top of the locator dogs. That trips it into the selective position. Your locator dogs will be floating now. When you push them up, they travel inside the tool. That's so it can pass through your nipple profile. Your keys on your X lock itself have been pulled into the body, so it'll pass through all the X nipples on the way in the hole until you get to the desired nipple you want to set into. When you get to that nipple, you'll pass through it, pull back up, and your locator dogs will locate on the bottom of the nipple. You'll pull up, that'll pull your tool into the non-selective position, which looks like this, which pops your keys on your lock back into the non-selective position. Travel back up through your nipple, set back down into the profile, jar down, which will shear your top shear pin, allowing your fish neck to close, locking your keys into the profile. At that point, you'll jar up. Your running tool will become disengaged from your fish neck, allowing you to jar, shear this pin. As you jar up, that pin shears, and out of the hole you come with your running tool. And your lock is set, and then you'll run your prong if you're running a PX plug or whatever. Thank you.